So there was a new standard report added to Google Analytics 4 last week, and it is e-commerce funnel, as you can see here. So this particular property is not an e-commerce property, so this funnel is not really useful for this property, which is kind of shame because it will only show up the data if you are sending an e-commerce event to your GA4 property as a view item, add to cart, purchase, and so on. On top of that, there is no way that you can edit the definition of these steps. So these are hard-coded and fixed, so you can't really modify this in any way. But obviously, we would like to have funnels that are not really tied to the e-commerce only. There are plenty other types of websites with different kind of funnels that we would like to have in our GA4. So what we can do about that? With this new report, there's actually one more feature that will help us to get our custom funnels to the standard reports in GA4. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to do that. So as you know, we have an exploration section in GA4. So we go there and we create a blank exploration, and then we change the technique to funnel exploration. So here in exploration, we can create custom funnels. This is nothing new, right? So let's create one. So let's say my first step will be session start event. The next step would be contact form page view. And the third step would be completion of the form. All right, we hit apply. And we have our custom funnel here. So we can see each individual step, visualize it as this bar. And underneath we have a table where we can see the completion rate and abandonment rate as well. Cool. So how we get this to the standard report? So as you can see, there is a new button here, save a report in the library. So we are going to do that. We are going to click this button. And then we need to name this report somehow. So let's name it something like custom funnel contact form. We hit save, and now we can leave the exploration part and go back to the standard reports. So we go to the reports, and on the bottom we see the library button. We click that, and here we have access to various reports we can add to our list of standard reports. And as you can see, we have a custom funnel contact form that we just created. So now you can add it to the existing collection. So if you want to add it to the lifecycle or under engagement, you can do that. Or you can create a new collection. Collection is this collapsible bar and tab. So I'm going to create a custom collection here. So let's create blank one. I'm going to name it custom funnels. I'm going to add a topic funnels. And under search reports, I can search for funnel report that we just created, and I can add it to this report section. Hit save, go back, and you can see your collection appear here. But it's not still visible on the left panel. So what we need to do is publish this. And as you can see, we have a custom funnels over here and the funnel section that we created and the custom funnels underneath the contact form funnel. And this is the custom report that we just created in exploration section, but it's available under the custom reports. You can create multiple custom funnels here, and this is how you can actually use that new visualization technique in standard reports. If you want to add a custom funnel to already existing collection, you can do that as well. So if you go back to the library and you have, let's say, this lifecycle collection, we hit edit, and then let's say we want to add it under the engagement section. So we will just do it by typing funnel, drag and drop it where you want. You can save it to the current collection. And then if you go back under engagement, there's our custom funnel again. And there you have it. That's how you can get your custom funnels from exploration section to the standard report section in GA4. Hopefully this will be useful for you and you will start building your custom funnels for also non-e-commerce websites.